Christmas tree, oh, Christmas tree. Been wondering just what you mean to me.
Hey everyone, what is up and welcome back to my channel. It's me, Marisa here, and welcome to another day of Marry with Mar, aka Vlogmas 2020. If you're new, be sure to hit that subscribe button. I would love to have you join my little YouTube family here. But for today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys just a typical kind of vlog, day in my life sort of deal here at home. I am still in college, so we're going to call it a college day in my life because we are approaching finals here. I have a lot of stuff I need to do today with like homework. I have chapter leader for my sorority, and we're just doing some fun festive things around the house. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's Vlogmas and actual vlog video, and let's go ahead and get into it. So, fun fact, this is my first official time I am vlogging with my G7X, and I am obsessed with it. Let me know what you guys think down below, obviously, because you guys are the ones like watching my videos. So let me know what you guys think. But I love it. I'm obsessed. I feel like actually like officially official, if that makes sense. So, but I want to show you guys my outfit super quick because it is so festive and cute, and I just love it a lot. So, look at my socks. They are so freaking cute. I don't know why. What am I doing with my leg? First, I'm wearing this super cute t-shirt. I bought this shirt on Black Friday from a small business that I found on TikTok back like during quarantine, and I've been wanting to get some of her stuff for like a really long time, and I just like haven't gotten around to it. She came out with these super cute festive holiday tees, and I was like, you know what? I'm gonna buy them on the Black Friday sale, so I got one. Mine says "'Tis the season, baby," and it is just so cute. It's just a really pretty like comfort colors kind of big t-shirt. I got it a size up just because I wanted to. But it is so comfy and cute, and I'm obsessed with it. And then I'm wearing, of course, my favorite airy leggings and these adorable socks like I showed before from American Eagle. They have little trucks on them. And I have my little Kendra Scott necklace that I just got for my birthday. So it is currently, I think, 1 o'clock. Yep, it's a little after 1. I was pretty productive this morning. I went to go get breakfast like at a local place, and then I came home, chilled for a little bit, got a shower, and like got myself looking presentable to like be on camera. I didn't like putting on makeup today though, I'm sorry. I just like didn't feel like doing it. But yeah, so now I have a lot of stuff to do because finals, fun fact, I don't really have any actual finals. I just have like final projects, but I have a lot of them. So like all my final projects and papers, they're all due like within the next week. So I don't really know when finals actually are because I don't even have like one exam, which is pretty nice. And thinking of it, none of my classes this semester like had exams. So I'm in college and I didn't take one exam this semester. That's a beautiful thing. I blame it on my major. Anyways, on my to-do list today, first I need to clean. My room's a mess, and I feel way better when I clean my room. Like if I have a messy room, which I normally do, I just like hate the feeling of it though. So I need to clean. I need to film this little thing for one of my projects. I want to experiment trying YouTube shorts, so if I have time like today, I might try that now. If not, I'll try it tonight. I have to do stuff for my chapter meeting later because I'm on our executive board. I think I said that before in a video, but I just got on our e-board for my sorority, so I have to like make my chapter slide, and I have chapter later at 6, but then I have some homework. I have a quiz to do, my video rough draft I have to edit and get done, but it's only a minute, so it won't really take me that long. So I'm thinking right now, I'm going to go ahead and clean. So when I have been cleaning as of lately, I've been lighting a candle every single time. This is "'Tis the Season" from Bath & Body Works, and I am obsessed with it. It's my favorite candle. I have another one here, and I literally just bought another one on Candle Day like a couple days ago. And then I also light my Christmas lights in my room. I got these from the dollar section at Target, I think for like maybe $3. They're super cute and festive. They're meant for a mini tree. But I kind of did this in my dorm where I taped just these little string lights up, and I think they look super cute. And then we have my little Christmas tree. She's so festive and cute. My Christmas tree is probably one of my favorite parts of my room, especially the holiday time. I love just like leaving it on like when I'm studying and stuff. It's just like so peaceful to me. So I always put my stuff on, and it makes me feel better about cleaning. But yeah, now I'm gonna actually clean my room because it's literally a mess. And I can't forget the Christmas music because what would cleaning be without Christmas music?
Oh, Christmas tree, oh, Christmas Christmas tree. Been wondering just what you mean to me. Oh, Christmas tree. Honestly, it's never been much about you. Don't get me wrong, I think you're great. Root of tradition we celebrate. But oh, Christmas tree, more than anything, it's all the people around you.
All right, so my room is nice and tidy and clean again, but I just have to take a minute. Look at the cutest Squishmallow. I'm obsessed with her. Like, I love it. It's my favorite thing. And then I also got the super cute Mickey from American Eagle on Black Friday, and he's just so cute too. Like, look at him. So everything is clean in here. I feel so much better. All right, guys, so we are currently making Christmas cookies here in the household. We have some peanut butter blossoms done. I don't bake, but my mom does, and I put the Hershey Kisses on. That is my job every year. And we have a nice big bowl here of Hershey Kisses. Here's Mom.
Hi.
She's making the cookies.
Just mixing them up.
Super fun and exciting
Trying
on
to
this
get 'em.
lovely Sunday.
Trying to get them done.
You're doing great.
Thank you.
This is the first time you're on YouTube. How do you feel?
Speechless.
She's like my #1 fan, right, Mom?
Absolutely.
She
Yes.
watches every one of my videos,
Yes, I do.
especially when I'm at school, because then she gets to see my face.
And hear her voice.
Yes,
Yes.
that's her favorite part.
Yes.
But yeah, so we're just cookie making. I wish I could help more, but I have homework to do. But yeah, super fun. And we're listening to fun Christmas music, so that makes it even better. Right?
Absolutely.
What's,
Perfect.
what's your favorite Christmas song?
Christmas waltz.
Oh, like the instrumental?
Yeah, the Christmas waltz.
We are currently...
Frosted window panes.
Yes.
Yes.
We are currently obsessed with the Hallmark Channel movie. It's called The Christmas Waltz, right?
Yes.
Yeah, it's a really fun, good movie. Check it out if you would want to. It's really, really good. It's our new favorite. It's my new favorite of this year so far. So as you guys can see, we clearly have made a lot of progress on the cookies. Mom is doing a great job. I think she's almost done, right, Mom?
Yes.
I put a lot of the kisses in there because I had a free second, but we are working hard on the peanut butter balls still. I don't know how much left.
Blossoms.
Oh, they're not peanut butter balls?
The peanut butter blossoms.
Oh, I'm dumb. But yeah, my camera's gonna die, so I'm gonna charge her up for a little bit while I start on some homework. But I did get a snack. I got some Cheez-Its and some nice, healthy, and crisp water. So that's what I got for my little snack. Here's my snackies, and we're gonna grind on some homework now. Hey guys, so here's a little update. I got so much of my homework done. I did the rest of my physics work that I had to do, and I got all that stuff done. It kind of took a while. And then I just kind of been chilling for a little bit. But now I just finished my how-to tutorial video rough draft project for one of my classes, and it turned out pretty cute. It's honestly like kind of cringy to me just because like I make YouTube videos all the time. But I don't want to say I didn't put effort into this because I put effort into it, but like it's definitely not my best work. Ignore my computer screen. Also, do you guys like my little blanket? I got it at Sam's Club. But this is my how to make festive hot chocolate video. It's so funny. And the hot chocolate was really good, but like, it's just so funny. And it was also annoying for a couple reasons, this project. Number one, I had to work in Adobe Premiere, and I actually do like Adobe Premiere. Like, it's a really good software, and I might look into actually transitioning to that for my own channel, but I'm just so used to iMovie. Like, getting used to this was kind of difficult, to be honest. But you do have a lot more options with like text actually in it, which I personally like compared to iMovie, so I like that. But like, look on my face, like, instead of just doing like a voiceover with these clips playing and then having the audio, we had to film ourselves saying the steps and then put the like how-to steps on top of it, so that's what you see like whenever you watch the video. But it was just so annoying to edit. Like, I literally had to do it. I had to edit this thing like 3 times. It's only a minute and a half. So it was just kind of annoying. But I did it. I think it turned out pretty good. Oh, I think I did pretty good on it. We're gonna hope for a good grade. But do you know how funny it would be if, like, me, the person who makes YouTube videos, got a bad grade on a how-to tutorial video project because I just, like, didn't try enough? That would be embarrassing. I'll keep you guys updated. But I mean, it should be pretty good. Like, we have effort here. So I'm gonna export this, but I don't know what I have to name it. Alright guys, for dinner tonight, I am having some of my favorite chicken Alfredo. They give me so much food at this one place, but it is like the best Alfredo sauce I've ever had. And I relocated to my living room. That's where I am now. But my mom is really scared to light up our Christmas tree because the other night, all the lights went out, and I luckily saved the day by just changing the fuse in the light. Like, that's a life hack for those of you who don't know. But I changed the fuse, and I literally saved Christmas by fixing the Christmas tree. But now she's just like terrified to turn it on because we don't want it to go out again. But yeah, I'm gonna have some dinner. I also have some bread and salad, and I'm sitting in the living room tonight on my chair because our kitchen table has Christmas cookies all over it, so we're not moving them right now. So we're just gonna chill in the living room and listen to some Christmas music, and I have my sorority meeting in like a half hour, so fun. Hey guys, so it is a lot later now. Pretty much what had happened, I had sorority meetings, and then I spent the night catching up with some of my friends because I really haven't talked to a few of them since I've been home. Talked to my roommate Ashley, just talked to like some people. I just have not I haven't really talked to them much because like everyone is so busy with finals and everything right now, but it was nice getting kind of have a night like talking to my friends and just kind of hanging out and chilling. But I did get everything I needed to get done today done, so that is super awesome. And yeah, I'm going to head to bed now. It's almost midnight. I've just been doing stuff all night kind of, but just kind of chill, keeping busy. But yeah, I really hope that you guys enjoyed kind of seeing a little quick day in my life today. And if you did, don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up, subscribe, leave some nice comments down below. I love to see what you guys have to say, and I will see you guys soon in my next video. Bye guys, thank you so much for watching.
Oh, Christmas tree. Honestly, it's never been much about